Welcome or welcome back. Treasure with a Z, back with another wash and go. I used a clarifying shampoo and followed up with a intensive hydration hair mask. So what you're looking at right now is hair with zero product in it. And we are using the OG from way back in the day, Xtreme Wetline. For me, Wetline is one of those gels that just won't go out of style. I still use it for slick back styles as well as to slick down my edges on the regular. As you can see, my hair dries out really fast, so I am applying this gel to mainly damp hair. It is certainly no longer dripping wet. On this day, I was going for volume, which is why I decided to place most of the product towards the end. I love the way Wetline sort of freezes the curl. All gels are not created equal. You know how you do that first section and you instantly know that the wash and go is about to turn out bomb? Yeah, I just had one of those moments. The way that it looks when it's wet is exactly the way that it'll look when it dries, as long as you don't manipulate it and cause any frizz before it dries. Wetline is a product that you can find just about anywhere. I have found it at Walmart or like a Walgreens. I've also seen it in like gas stations or little corner convenience stores. It's just about everywhere. So when it comes to accessibility, I'll definitely have to give this one a 10 out of 10 because you can look up and find this anywhere. I do understand that it may not have the best ingredients, but when I'm going for a particular look, sometimes I just have to pull out that Wetline. It's definitely not a every week wash and go styler, but it can certainly rise to the occasion when needed. Let's put it like this. If it's Wednesday and I know I'm going out to brunch with the girlies on Friday, when I wash my hair on Wednesday, I'm reaching for Wetline as my styler because I know come Friday, I'll have the volume and still have the definition that I love. Speaking of brunch with the girlies, I need to figure out what it is about brunch that has me in a chokehold. I love me a good brunch session. Whether it's at a restaurant or in a home setting, doesn't matter to me. But those brunch-esque type foods, I love them. Love them, love them, love them. I'm talking the shrimp and grits, the chicken and waffles, the fish and grits, Belgian waffles, fresh fruit. Then we are in French Danish with a mimosa or a 7, preferably a whole flight because you know you get all the flavors. Yeah, brunch me down any day, anytime. As a matter of fact, do you have a favorite brunch spot? Can you please leave it down in the comments below? Because when I travel, I will definitely be open to trying some of your favorite brunch spots because brunch is my vibe. Okay, back to this here. It is later in the evening, so I'm going to use the diffuser to go ahead and get the drying process started. That way I don't have to go to bed with wet hair. When I wake up the next morning, it'll be fully dry and ready for stretching and shaping. You guys know I stretch my hair all the time using this red handheld blow dryer. But can I tell y'all what I really want though? I really want to try one of those Rev Air reverse dryers. I see them all over the internet, all over the socials, and it really just sort of looks like a dream come true for a curly girl because the last thing that any one of us curly girls really want to do is cause damage to our curls that we put so much time and effort into maintaining and making sure they are healthy and strong. So if this video ever makes it to a Rev Air team member, hello, my name is Treasure. I'm a type 4 girly that loves to do wash and goes, and I would love to try your Rev Air on my hair. And since I'm just over here shooting my shot today, if this video just so happens to reach Fenty here, Fenty, please, I want to be on your PR list so bad. I am already obsessing over the scent of your products, which I have never smelled. But the fragrance lover in me already knows that those Fenty products are going to just, I just already know. I want to walk around smelling like Fenty hair products all day. Is that a crime? Is anything wrong with that? Anyways, thanks for listening to me rant today, guys. Make sure you tune in next time for another episode of That Girl That Does the Wash and Goes.